In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ScreenTips, also known as Tooltips, to hyperlinks in PowerPoint. This can be a useful feature to provide additional context or information when someone hovers over a hyperlink in your presentations. Whether it's a brief description, extra guidance, or any other tidbit you wish to provide, adding a screen tip can enhance the overall experience for your viewers. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process. First things first, ensure that you have PowerPoint launched on your desktop. Whether you're using the latest version or one from a few years back, you should be able to follow along just fine. Once PowerPoint is up and running, you'll need to open your presentation. If you have an existing presentation you want to work with, go ahead and open that. Otherwise, feel free to start anew by creating a fresh presentation for practice. Now, identify the specific text or the object within your slide that you want to hyperlink. This can be anything from a word, a sentence, an image, or any other element you have on your slide. Once you've made your selection, right-click on it. From the menu that appears, you can choose the hyperlink option. Alternatively, if you prefer using the toolbar, navigate to the Insert menu, and then click on Link, followed by Insert Link. Once you're in the Insert Hyperlink dialog box, take a look around at the options available. You'll be focusing on finding the screen tip button. It's usually located towards the top right section, but please don't hesitate to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dialog if you haven't already. By clicking the screen tip button, a new window will pop up, prompting you to enter your desired text for the tooltip. This is where you have the opportunity to customize the message or information that will appear when someone hovers over your hyperlink. Keep it concise and ensure it adds value to the viewer's experience. Now that you've entered your tooltip text, click OK to set it. We're almost done, but there's one final step. You need to close the Insert Hyperlink dialog box. Simply click OK again, and there you have it. You've successfully added a screen tip to a hyperlink in your PowerPoint presentation. Adding screen tips can significantly enrich your presentation, making it more interactive and informative. They're a convenient way to offer extra details without cluttering your slides. As you incorporate this feature into your presentations, think about the different ways you can leverage it to lift the quality of your slides and engage your audience even more. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.